Hi everyone, my name is Abdul Jalil. Today we are going to talk about 14 ways Google Lens can save you time on Android. Google Lens can turn you into a mobile tech magician, but it is up to you to learn its tricks. Come closer. Your Android phone has a little known superpower, a futuristic system to bridging the physical world around you and the digital universe on your device. It is one of Google's best kept secrets, and it can save you tons of time and effort. So grab your nearest Android gadget. Go install the Google Lens app if you haven't already, and get ready to teach your phone some spectacularly useful new tricks. So if you are ready, let's do it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It will help me a lot. Also, like our video. So let's start. Welcome back. So before we start the tricks, as we said, 14 Google Lens tricks. Before we start, I have to acknowledge Gadfy. They help me with credits, sometimes data bundle, whenever I need them. So you can go there. This is the website. You can see gadfy.com. It is a marketplace where you can buy and sell. You can see these are the categories. You can also go and sell whatever you have. So sign up today on your phone. You can do it on your phone. So sign up today and start selling. So before we start, as I said, we have 14 Google Lens tricks we are going to share with you. The first one is copy text from the real world. As I'm talking, if you have, let me say, you have a screenshot, for instance, screenshot of anything, or you have a hard document like this one I have in my hand now, you can snap it and turn it into a document, a text. You copy the text from the real world and save it in your phone. Okay, let's demonstrate it. Before, let's go to Google Lens. This is Google Lens. You can see this camera here and the mic. So with the help of Google Lens, we are going to demonstrate the first one. How do we do it? Tap on this, on the camera here, like this. When you tap on it, you will see like this. You will see this one. It is telling you to snap. You can see search with your camera. Now let me tap on it like this. When I tap, it will snap. When it snaps, come down here, you can see test. We have test here. So this is what we want now. This is the first step. So this test, you can select it and paste it in your phone. Let me see, on your clipboard, your phone's clipboard, like this. If you select all, you can copy it and go anywhere on your notes, or you can send it straight to a WhatsApp or an email. You can do it from here. Just copy it and go to your email or your WhatsApp or even on Facebook straight. Let me demonstrate it. I have this here. I can just paste it here like this. This is what I copied. You can see all this text. I copied all this from the image. Okay, this is the first tips. So now let's go back to Google. So now we are going to the second. We are finished with this. The first, which is copy text from the real world. So now we are going to the second tip. The second tip is send text from the real world to your computer. It's the same as the first one, but there is a slight difference. So you see the same text. I'm going to use the same text I copied. So now you send it to a nearby computer. You send it to a nearby computer. So how do we do that? Let me open a text here. Now let's copy, refresh it. I think the internet is slow, so let's refresh it and see what we have here. Okay, now let's choose the first one and see. You can see it is copying. Okay. Now let's go to our desktop where we created the text. So paste it. You can see this is what I copied from the phone. Okay, you can see it here. I'm just rearranging it so you can see all the text I copied from the image I had. So this is it. You can see you copy everything here. So this means you can use this technique to copy a whole book. Yes, a whole book. You can use this technique. So this is the text here. You can see on my screen here. You can see it. So I copied it like this. Okay, now we finish with the second, which is send text from the real world to your computer. Now we copied from an image I had, and now we send the text from the phone to our computer now. So now let's go to our third trick. The third trick is hear text from the real world. Read aloud. Just what I just showed you. You just listen to it like this.
To select FR screen on a page is the second option. Click omit, take a look. All data in one can see great.
You can see, you can hear, it is reading. So this is the third tips. We did the first one, second one, third one. You listen to what you copied from here. So now let's move to the fourth one, which is interact with text from an image. In addition to the live stuff, Lens can pull and process text from images, including both actual photo you've taken and screenshots you've captured. That latter part opens up some pretty interesting possibility. Say for instance, you've just gotten an email with a tracking number in it, but the tracking number is some fuzzy type of text that annoyingly can't be copied. Or maybe you are looking at a web page or presentation where the text of some or maybe you are looking at a web page or presentation where the text for some reason isn't selectable. Well, grab a screenshot like I did. You can see a screenshot here. You can see the screenshot by pressing your power and volume key. Then make your way over to Google Lens app. Look for the screenshot on the Lens home screen. Tap it and tap text under. You can see the text here, the text under here, the button. And then you can simply select the text you want. So now let's select it. Let me show you, let me demonstrate it. See this one, for instance, the one I selected is clearing. You can see, but you can see the text here is not clear. But when I select even a small portion, you will see it here. You see, this is what I mean. You can see it even if the text is too small. From here, you can copy the text, send it to a computer, or perform any of Lens' other boundary defining tricks. Now we finish with day number 4. So if you have watched up to here and you are not subscribed, please subscribe to our channel and help us grow with you. Also like our video. Now we are going to number 5, which is search for text from any physical document. From any physical document, I mean search for text from any physical document or image. After you have selected any manner of text from within the Google Lens app, swipe your finger towards the left on the row of options in that button of screen panel. The one with copy text, copy to computer, and so on. You have never realized it from looking, but even more options are hiding to the right of those initial choices. You can see them. One of them is the simple but supremely useful search. This one. And sometimes Lens will even put related resource right there in that bottom of screen panel without any additional searching required. Keep that in mind as a super easy way to get info on text from any physical document or captured image without having to manually peek in the walls on your own. So this is very simple. It's the same thing we have been doing. You can see, let me show you something on my screen here. Go back. When you go to it, let's say you can see something here. It is an object. You can see so if you click on it, let me show you another object like this object here. You can see it is an object. You can click on it and go to search. Now it will search for this thing for me. You can see I have a lot of it. If in case I want to buy some, I'll just have websites that have similar product. You can see the whole thing is here. This is what I mean by it can capture image and search it for you. This one can apply to our trick number 6, which is search for similar visuals. You can see you have similar things here. When I search, it gave me similar things. You can see Lens can search the web for other images that matches the actual object within your photo or screenshot. It is a fantastic way to find visually similar images or even identify something like a specific phone model or product seen within a photo. You see, we have it here. It's the same thing I said, and let me try the phone's own and see if it can identify the same model for me. It is an example I'm doing. Okay, let's go back and tap on it like this. Go to search and see. Let's give it a time, like a minute, for it to search for this image for us. Okay, you can see I have it here. Wow, you can see is Samsung Galaxy A03 core. Same thing, similar. Wow. So this is what I mean by number 6. So you can also do your search and get similar object online. So now our number 7, create a calendar event.